My father was very happy to have come to America. I think that, even though he started out being in the Communist Party and whatever, which so many people at that time did, I think he learned very, very early how dangerous it was, and that he wrote so much against it for the rest of his life. He really became a staunch anti-communist. And I remember having discussions with him, him telling me that, it was the hope of the world, and, Marxism and Leninism, and that how it all turned out to be for naught, and that what they did to the people, and how, so many millions were killed. And it was a very difficult time certainly for Jewish people, and for many other people who died needlessly. He felt that the vision that they had at the time of the revolution was a wonderful vision, but I think he realized very soon that it was only a vision and that it was never going to come to fruition the way people thought it was. Unfortunately, my father didn't live to see the lifting of the Iron Curtain. He died a number of years before. But I think that would have given him, a sense of maybe gratitude, or he would feel that, maybe the people finally realized that what they were living under, certainly under Stalin, was as bad as living under Hitler.